Go, 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 go. Guys, I'm so excited. Ang lamig na, magbibingso pa. So they have here tiramisu, then I think that's mango, and that's coffee. So pwede kang mag-order doon. You can also see kung ready na yung order mo and or still preparing. Wow! Tiramisu muna. Parang solid tong tiramisu nila. This is the real tiramisu.
Mapait pa yung kape.
May coffee. Yun, dun yung coffee talaga.
Durog talaga siya. Wow.
Add this condensed milk. Pinong ice lang talaga siya. So, nagkakaroon ng flavor. Pag hinalo mo siya, yung mismong coffee, tapos lalagyan mo siya ng condensed milk. But, this tiramisu alone, sobrang sarap.